Welcome to another part of the Vasco Translator V4 video manual. In this chapter I'll tell you what is and how to use the text translator feature. The text translator is one of the main features of the Vasco Translator V4. It allows you to translate both single words and whole sentences in 90 languages. Would you like to see how it works? Let's move on to the device and do it step by step. In order to translate particular words, select text from the main menu. Then select the input language and the output language. Then you can input the words either by voice recognition, abuelo,
grandfather,
or by the virtual keyboard.
grandmother.
That's it for this chapter. Now you know how to translate text with the Vasco Translator V4. Let's move on to other parts of our video tutorial of the Vasco Electronics device and get to know about the other features of the Vasco Translator V4. See ya!